Larry Kroger. All in favor?
Yeah. We need the dues.
Good. Larry Kroger is now pledged to Delta Tau Chi. Next slide, please, D-Day. Just a minute. Just settle down. This is Kent Dorfman. He's a legacy from Harrisburg.
Okay, this guy is a real zero, that's true. Let's just think back to when you guys were freshmen, huh? Boone, you had a face like a pepperoni pizza, right? And Stork here. Everybody thought the Stork was brain damaged. I myself was so obnoxious, the seniors used to beat me up once a week. So this guy is a total loser? Well, let me tell you the story of another loser.
I state your name.
I state your name.
Do hereby pledge allegiance to the Frat.
Do hereby pledge allegiance to the Frat.
With liberty and fraternity for all.
Amen.
Sergeant at Arms. Do your duty.
Now on, your Delta Tau Chi name is Weasel. From now on, your name is Mothball. Kroger, your Delta Tau Chi name is Pinto.
Why Pinto?
Why not?
What's my Delta Tau Chi name?
Dorfman, you've given this a lot of thought. From now on, your name is Flounder.
Flounder.
We now consecrate the bond of obedience. Assume the position.
Thank you, sir. May I have another? Thank you, sir. May I have another? Thank you, sir. May I have another?